Snell here with Bull Runs. Good day. Today I was wanting to talk about Ethereum. First I was going to start off with the creator, whose name Vitalik Buterin. He was born in 1994. He's a Russian-Canadian computer programmer and founder of Ethereum. Buterin became involved with cryptocurrency as early as 2011, co-founding Bitcoin magazine.
There's a huge amount of opportunity, right? Like if you can make a wallet that 1 billion people use, that's a huge opportunity. If you can make a stable coin that can actually survive anything up to and including a US dollar hyperinflation, Doge forbid the US dollar hyperinflation actually ends up happening, then, that's a huge opportunity as well. If you can, create something that can actually, be a lifeline for everyone going through that situation. If you can sign in with Ethereum to work and you can unseat Facebook and Google and Twitter as the kind of login overlords of the internet, that itself is a huge opportunity.
Ethereum Foundation is located in Bern, Switzerland. Vitalik Buterin published the white paper to introduce it in 2014. The Ethereum platform was launched in 2015 by Buterin and Joe Lubin, founder of the company Consensus. They were amongst the first to consider the full potential of blockchain tech outside of the secure virtual payment systems. That platform was founded with ideas to leverage blockchain technology for many vast application uses. BTC notably was made as a payment method using proof of work mechanisms protocols. Ethereum is created to be a scalable, programmable, secured, decentralized. The blockchain tech is Ethereum enables secure digital ledgers to be publicly created and maintained. Ethereum is the foundation for many emerging technological advances based on blockchain. ETH can be used by anyone to design any kind of secure digital technology. Ethereum can be used to codify, decentralize, secure, and trade just about anything. Voting, domain names, financial exchanges, crowdfunding, company governance, contracts and agreements of most kind, intellectual property, and even smart property thanks to hardware integration.
So 2022 has been, I think, a complicated year, right? I think a lot of people are remembering the year for all of the terrible stuff that's happened and within the crypto space for all of the multi-billion-dollar blowups. But I think it's also important to remember all of the various positives that the crypto space has seen, right? So the merge, I think, is the most recent one, but the big one, right? This is something that the Ethereum has been waiting for pretty much since its inception, right? And it's been delayed and complexified and turned out to be more complex than we thought, and lots of things have happened, but now finally, as of September 15th, I think it was 0645 UTC, we actually have a proof of stake chain, right? And doesn't it just feel good to be able to say, not Ethereum is going to reduce its energy consumption by 99.9%, but Ethereum has reduced its energy consumption by 99.9%, right? We're literally talking about going from a level of electricity consumption similar to the entire country of Austria to a level of electricity consumption similar to the entire country of, maybe San Marino, maybe Vatican.
With this token created to pay for the work done that supports the blockchain, it can also be used to pay for goods and services if they are accepted. As a blockchain that's chosen by many developers and enterprises that create technology, signifies the strength in how many industries think the future might operate and go about in our daily lives. As Web3 progresses, it is generalized that it will be powered by Ethereum. To concerns of scalability, Ethereum is progressing in developments of sharding. Sharding will divide the Ethereum database amongst its network. Similar to cloud computing, where many computers interact with workloads and reduce the computing time. Ethereum borrows the concept of decentralized consensus that makes Bitcoin so resilient, but yet makes it trivial to build on its foundation. Ethereum changed from proof of work to proof of stake in September of 2022.
I'm trying to compare 2022 against the kind of early to mid bear market periods of the previous cycles, right? Actually, yeah, if you want to show people visuals, one great visual to show right now is the Bitcoin price from 2011 to now. Bitcoin, just because Ethereum unfortunately didn't exist in 2011. But if you look at that, right, you see kind of the great cycles, right? And, you have 2011, and then the really big one at the end of 2013, and then the even bigger one in 2017, and then the super big one in 2021, right? And the 2015, right? So if you go down that flat part after the first peak, that's when Ethereum launched, right? So then 2018, that's the flat and the kind of cup and handle after the second bull market. That's when Uniswap was created and started existing for the first time. Now let's look at the flat and slightly decreasing line after the third bubble. That's when the merge happened, and we had multiple ZK EVMs, and we're starting to see serious layer 2 adoption. So the post-peak periods are always periods in which there actually are some pretty significant technological progress.
Vitalik Buterin, he's an interesting guy. He's very vocal and very open on social media, and so you can find a lot of interviews with him, and he's pretty open and transparent about how his brain thinks about cryptography in general. One of the earlier pioneers, of course, tokens sitting at the very top underneath Bitcoin, which is, but yeah, I mean, there's so much to go into, and so many small projects. You have like OpenSea, NFTs, like galore. That was a huge innovation on their part. Bringing other companies and getting them involved on top of a blockchain was huge for them. So they were super open and super more for the thrill of trying to build the technology out rather than just filling pockets. But with that, it's Neil. Bull runs.